Zylo on the beat.
It's Tony again, and today what we're gonna do is we're gonna open up the Sword and Shield Build and Battle. Got this from GameStop, and also I grabbed this tin of Sword and Shield as well. I just thought it was cool, and I'm gonna open this up a little bit later. It's gonna be in the same video, but I'm not gonna do it tonight. But you guys won't be able to tell. But if there's a weird edit, it's because it's the next day and I'm opening up this tin. But for right now, I'm just gonna open up this bad boy and let's get started. I just like hopping in. I'm sorry. I have no patience. I have no impulse control. I have a problem. But we're gonna have a good stream of videos coming out after this unboxing. I just put in an order for a bunch of stuff, so after this we should have a pretty decent stream of videos. And let's open this up. Ooh, nice. Ooh, nice. Take these bad boys out. Dang. Are these promo cards? Let's just pop these bad boys open, and then we'll get into the meat and potatoes of this unboxing. Alright? Harley's running around. There is your code, guys. Snorlax, nice. Grookey! Another Grookey! Another Grookey. Is this gonna be a playset? Ooh, there's Rillaboom. Swabble. Drizzle. Drizzle. Dude. Alright, nice. Nice. Alright. This little thing, but who cares about this? Let's get into it. The packs. 4 packs. Oh man. But yeah, I will have a steady stream of videos coming out. I just ordered a bunch of stuff. Irresponsible, but I just love opening up packs, and I love putting out videos for you guys, people that watch, and I have no shame. Even though I don't have that many subscribers and that many views, I enjoy doing this personally, and that's all that really matters, right? Doing what makes you happy, and if I can make other people happy, that's living the dream, right? Goldeen, Rosalie, Joltik, my girlfriend likes this Pokemon. Ghastly, reverse holo. Ooh, and Celebi! Nice. Off to a great start, guys. Wow. Oh, man. Got me all tingly. Celebi got me all tingly. Oh, my gosh. Let's get into it. There you go, guys. I hope that someone's getting good use of those promo codes. Like, guys, claim them shits. I don't use them. But guys, I've been thinking. That was Rocky. I've been thinking. I think I'm gonna start doing, like, I don't know how I'm gonna do it. I think I'm gonna start doing like manga reviews. Maybe it's gonna be a work in process, because I think I have so many mangas that I want to talk about with you guys. Like, I have Tokyo Ghoul, I have Blue Exorcist, Dragon Ball Z Super, Berserk, Vagabond, Fire Punch, and I'm gonna try to go through the series that are shorter. There's our rare series that are shorter and see how I like it. Maybe I can write a script. I don't want this to be a scripted, like a scripted channel or anything. I don't want you guys to think any less of me, but I do want to do something like that. I kind of want to use my big old nerd brain, because this is beyond nerds. That's the name of the channel. It's not just about Pokemon unpackings and Yu-Gi-Oh unpackings. I want it to be about nerdy stuff. I want everybody to feel like they have a place here that enjoys nerdy things, and I want to go, and the things that I want to do primarily and focus on are manga reviews, and unpackings and card unpackings. And I feel like what I can do, because these unpacking videos, I'm sorry to give a huge secret, they're super fun, and I'm never gonna say they're not. They're super fun and they're super easy to do, because, and like, you guys get to enjoy all these cool fucking cards. Ooh, Raichu, nice. Love Raichu. And you guys get to enjoy all these cool ass cards and stuff, and I feel like that's like a big part of what these videos are. They're easy to edit, and everybody kind of gets something out of it. I get to pull some dope ass cards you guys get to see, and also claim the codes, and like, you know, we all get something out of it. I think maybe you more than me. I'm just kidding. I fucking love doing this, guys. I think my girlfriend, she'll never say it to my face, but I think she may think I have an addiction. And is she wrong? No, she is not wrong. Rotom Bike, Big Charm, Sea King, Mudbray, Pawn, I don't know how to say that name. Scorbunny. Who doesn't love Scorbunny? Nickit. my cat's coming up. Ooh, Obstagoon. No, stop. Who is that? I have 3. Oh, it's Wiz. Oh, Incinerate. Nice. I got one of these not too long ago, and because it's not a full art, I didn't think of anything of it, but it's a holo. So I don't know. Comment down below. Should I start sleeving my holos? Because I have a lot of cards, and should I just sleeve all the holos I get? Because here's the thing. I opened up Yu-Gi-Oh cards, and there's a newer set that is just rares and super rares, and like, when you get that many rares and super rares as a booster box, you can't like sleeve them all. They're like, some of them are just useless, but you know, I digress. That's it for this part of the video. You guys really don't need to know what's going on behind the scenes. I'm probably gonna still leave this in, but tomorrow I'm gonna open this up. It's gonna be a part of the same video. I don't know why I'm telling you. All right, bye. Hey guys, it's Tony again, and we're doing the second half of the video. We transported outside. So what we're gonna do is open up this Sword and Shield tin, and just get right into it. Let's just open this bad boy up. If you could see, you can see my cat in the background just chilling. I have 3 cats, too many cats, but you know, I'm a proud pet parent. Ooh, I like that presentation. I like that presentation. Hold up, let's get that focus. I like that presentation. All right. Here's the promo card. And here's the code for that right there. Beautiful card. Beautiful card. All right. Close that bad boy up. Okay. So what we got right here? We got a couple things. We got Sword and Shield Rebel Clash, 2 of them. Sword and Shield base set, Sword and Shield Burning Shadows, and an Evolutions. Nice. I love opening up Evolutions. I love the old artwork on them. So, you know me. Just gonna jump right into it. Here's your promo code, guys. Oh, let me do the card trick. 1, 2, 4. There you go. Energy. Metapod. Burning Scarf. Alina. We got an Applin. Patina. Magikarp, Meditite, Stunky, and we got a Scoop Up Net and a Corsola. Nice. Nice. I'm gonna set that up. It's a hollow. We'll set it aside. Who doesn't like hollows? You guys will have a nice little video here. I thought it would be nice to open up the tin in the daylight. Growlithe. Love Growlithe. Deepy. Dreepy. Snover. And dude, I'm not gonna lie, I do not like this Pokemon. He's just garbage. He's literally just garbage. Like, come on. Any other concept but garbage. I'm surprised that we don't have like a car Pokemon or a mech Pokemon at this point. That would be pretty cool if they started making mech Pokemon. Like, I'm a huge fan of like mech anime. Well, let me not say that. I'm not a huge fan. I don't read any mangas, but I was a fan of Gundam and what you call it? Gundam and Zoids. You guys remember Zoids? That fucking weird ass anime. Dugtrio. Sizzlepede. Woolo. Grookey. Soddle. Is it Soddle? Rhyhorn. Ooh. A Rapidash, a Galarian Rapidash, and last but not least, nice, Regirock V. Oh my god. Isn't Regirock a pseudo-legendary? Wow. Nice. Nice. We got 2 left, guys. 2 left. Well, this is one of the 2. One, 2, 3, 4. Metapod. Simisear. Polygon 2. Horsey. Venipede. Sandygast. That's one. Crabrawler. Electrike. And a Weavile. Nice. Alright guys, our last pack, Evolutions. Evolutions. 1, 2, I think it's 3. I could be wrong. Old artwork, man, that's crazy. It's crazy. I used to have cards like this when I was super young. Coughing, Voltorb, Tangela, Poliwag, Seal, Magikarp. No way. No way. No way. What? What? No way. I know it's an Evolutions. I know it's an Evolutions card, and it's like it's not like a first edition, but wow. Wow. That should be there. Woo! What? Reverse hollow. Well, shit, guys. It's just the artwork, guys. Wait, let me flip this around. Wow, guys. Are you kidding me? I know it's not like a first edition. I get it, but the implications if this was. Oh my gosh. Well, great day. It's been a great day. Well, that's it, guys. That's really it. Just remember, to, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit that notification bell, and that's it. I'm signing off. I got nothing else to say. I'll catch you in the next one.